Manaomi asefa malolonga. Give me patience, Father, bury all my pride. For I my leloto no side, trying to walk the narrow, trying to toe the line. Savalipe iluma maleloto tele. Lord, don't let me fall. Keep me on the vine. O Le Mana, O Le Tatalo. It moves the mountains, it breaks the chains. Ute mawai le malo si tele. There's power in prayer flowing through my veins. Uatelele angasalang le lalolangi. Keep my spirit steady, keep my conscience clean. Ele manaomi aisefa asau sili. Need the strength to whisper when I call your